In this Gate EO sign-up tutorial, I'll walk you step by step. Create your account, complete KYC correctly, lock down security with 2FA and an anti-phishing code, fund your account, and avoid the common mistakes that cost beginners time and money. All helpful links are in the description, and when you register, enter the referral code JBonus to make sure you don't miss eligible new user perks in your region. Quick reminder, this is educational, not financial advice. Crypto is risky. Only invest what you can afford to lose and always do your own research. Here's the plan for today. Sign up on web or app, pass KYC, enable 2FA, and an anti-phishing code, deposit funds, then you're ready for your first buy. Before we start, prepare your documents, a valid ID or passport, a well-lit space for a clear selfie, and a stable internet connection. Make sure the name on your account matches your ID exactly. Let's create your Gate EO account. On desktop, open the official site and click Sign Up. On mobile, open the Gate EO app and tap Register. Choose email or phone. Enter your details and create a strong, unique password. When you see the field for an invite or referral code, type JBonus. If you forget this step, you could miss benefits tied to new user campaigns in your area. Check your email or SMS for the verification code and confirm your account. If the code doesn't arrive, wait a moment, check spam or junk and request a new one. Great account created. Now let's secure it immediately. Go to Security and enable two-factor authentication. Use an authenticator app rather than SMS whenever possible. It's more resilient. Save your backup codes in a safe place. Next, set an anti-phishing code. This is a short phrase that will appear in official Gate IO emails so you can spot fakes at a glance. Now we'll complete KYC so you unlock full features and higher withdrawal limits. Go to Identification or KYC in your profile. Select your country and your document type: ID card, driver's license, or passport. Upload the front and back clearly. Keep the image bright and sharp, no glare, no cropped corners. When asked for a selfie or liveness checked, center your face, remove hats or glasses, and follow the on-screen prompts. Submit and wait for review. It's usually quick, but times can vary. Once your KYC is approved, you'll see a confirmation inside your account. If it's rejected, read the reason carefully. Most issues are simple fixes like retaking a clearer photo. Time to add funds. Depending on your region, you can use bank transfer, card, or deposit crypto from another wallet or exchange. Fees and speed differ by method. Bank transfers can be cheaper but slower. Cards are fast but may cost more. If you're nervous, start with a tiny test amount to build confidence. Before your first purchase, decide your approach. Are you learning with a small test buy or investing for the long term? Beginners often prefer large, liquid assets and simple dollar cost averaging to reduce stress. A quick note about regions. Crypto services can vary by country and change over time. Always check what's supported in your location and comply with local laws. Let's run through common issues and fast fixes. If your ID photo is rejected, retake it with better lighting and make sure all edges are visible. If your verification code doesn't arrive, confirm your contact details, check spam, and try again after a short pause. If you forgot to enable 2FA or the anti-phishing code, return to security and set them up. Now it's a must. If anything looks suspicious, unexpected DMs, emails asking for your password or seed phrase, stop. Real support won't ask for that. Alright, let's wrap with a quick checklist. 1. Create your Gate EO account and verify your email or phone. 2. Enter referral code JBonus during sign up. 3. Complete KYC with clear photos. 4. Enable 2FA and set your anti-phishing code. 5. Deposit a small test amount and learn the flow. If this tutorial helped, please like the video so more beginners can find it, and subscribe for upcoming guides on buying, withdrawals, and wallet security. The sign-up link is in the description. Remember to enter JBonus during registration so you don't miss eligible perks. Drop a comment that says checklist and I'll pin a starter PDF you can follow step by step. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.